Wonder if you can bring glass items on a plane? From bottles to vases, we're covering all the details to make your packing stress-free. Let's dive in. Here's the quick answer. Yes, you can bring glass on planes in both carry-on and checked luggage, but it must fit within your airline's size and weight limits. For glass bottles in carry-on bags, make sure they're empty or follow the TSA liquid rules. TSA Guidelines. According to the TSA, empty glass bottles and other glass items are allowed through security. But avoid sharp or dangerous glass objects, as they might not make it past the checkpoint. Glass in carry-on luggage. You can safely carry glass in your hand luggage. Ensure it's securely packed and check your airline's weight limits. If your glass item is large or heavy, consider packing it in your checked bag instead. Glass bottles with liquids. Carrying liquids in glass bottles. Follow the TSA 311 rule. Liquids must be in 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, containers or smaller, and all containers must fit in 1 quart-sized bag. Packing tips for glass. To protect your glass items, wrap them in soft clothes, towels, or bubble wrap. For checked luggage, secure them with extra padding to prevent damage during rough handling. Glass in checked luggage. Glass items are allowed in checked luggage, but be cautious. Airlines aren't responsible for damaged or lost valuables, so pack fragile items with extra care. Will glass break or explode on a plane? No need to worry, glass doesn't explode mid-flight. If packed properly, it's safe from breakage too. Airlines even serve drinks in glass bottles without any issues. Final thoughts. So, yes, you can take glass on a plane, just pack it carefully and follow the TSA rules for liquids. Need more travel tips? Hit the subscribe button for more insights. Safe travels. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel hacks.